Hey everybody, welcome to this video. I am so excited to finally be able to turn on the camera again and speak with all of you because, as you can tell by this very echoey situation, I'm in a different spot. You are actually with me on the day that I have collected my keys in my first apartment. I'm super excited. I can't wait to take you along for this whole new journey, this new chapter in my life. There's so much to talk to you about. There's so much for us to do together, so much I really want to share with you. I know I've been absent from YouTube and the blog for a little while, but between, wrapping up some stuff for work and looking for a place to move out for the very first time on my own, there were just way too many things to handle on my plate at once. However, with this big thing settled and me having the keys, I can't wait. This is going to be a kind of a series. I am hoping I would love to take you along as I do some furniture shopping, as I figure out how I want to arrange this place, as I buy everything essentially, like cutlery. We're gonna fill up the pantry together because I'm moving out of home and into my first independent place. I'm really just taking my bed, maybe my dresser, my IKEA Alex makeup drawer set, and my crafting supplies, and really that's it. We are starting from scratch, and I think there's something super hopeful and magical about that too. So while I'm in here right now, I thought I'd give you a bit of an empty apartment tour just so you get a gist of how things are laid out. It's not a very big space, but it's perfectly sized for me, and I would love your input on where I should go decorating wise. I've never had a place where I had the opportunity to decorate it. Even when I lived at home with my family, I wasn't allowed to do very much because we also rented. And yeah, this is my first experience at putting something together on my own, and I am so thrilled. So I'm gonna hop on over to the front door and give you a quick tour of this little place. All right, everybody, here is the front door view. To our left, we have the washroom. I'm very lucky to have a full-size tub in my small apartment. I've brought over the essentials, toilet paper, hand wash, and lipstick, of course. There's a mirror in here. There's some storage up top that's built in, which is very nice, and a little bit of built-in storage on the bottom here as well. Excuse the slight shakiness. I'm hand holding this the best that I can, but we'll try to make this work. All right, on this side, there is a closet, which is unfortunately the main built-in storage in this place. It's quite sizable, but there are very little other storage capacities in this place. Okay, let's get into what is called the bedroom, which is really just a blocked off space from what is otherwise a studio apartment setting. I think there are lights in here. There we go. So there is a little nook with two very small closets, a little bit of carpet, and two sliding doors. So if I'm standing from the hallway, there's a sliding door right on this side, and if I walk down the hallway, there's an identical sliding door on the other side. There is a nook that's quite deep into this little separated room, which I believe is the original design for a bed, but I'm thinking I might put my bed against the wall and have it lengthwise instead of putting it through here, which will block off a lot of the flow and potential in this bedroom, if you will. There is, for fire and safety reasons, a cutout in my bedroom that faces the kitchen. So that's an interesting prospect to work with. I'm a little bit concerned with the small closet size. There are two mini closets, and not that I have a lot of clothes, but I have some fabrics and things like that in large bins that I don't know where I'm going to put. Okay, back to the front. So that was our front door. Here is my in-suite washer and dryer, which is lovely. It's such a luxury to have that in your small space. So I've got washer and dryer. No more fighting for that to do the laundry. And then if I step back, this is kind of the main part of the apartment. So hallway all the way down, and then we have my full-size kitchen. I've got the lights on, so apologies if the color starts shifting, but this is so lovely. I really look forward to being able to cook and stuff like that. We've got sink, refrigerator, which is a full size. We've got a microwave, range, stove, oven, a little bit of storage in the kitchen. I think just enough for one person. And then dishwasher, which is new for me. I've never used dishwasher in any of the places that I've lived because, you know, I'm Asian and I wash my dishes by hand, which tends to be the trend, but this will be interesting. Yeah, and this goes outside to my balcony. I have a fireplace here. I'm just walking back. So this is as far as I can go to the other side of the wall. Essentially, this whole space will have to be kind of living, dining, crafting, all in one, and my computer. So I'm thinking of putting something in this nook as added counter space, maybe a pull-out, fold-down IKEA table if it fits. And I don't know what to do in that space. So this whole area will need to be really multifunctional for me. I do have this one kind of big open space right here, and yes, the walls are sage green, still an upgrade from the olive beige that I had in my other bedroom. So yeah, this is kind of the look of the place. So that's it, a quick peep at my small apartment. I think, again, it's just the right size for one person. It will ask me to, you know, be very thoughtful about what I bring into this place, and with living out on my own and being in charge of all my own living expenses, I'll need to be more thoughtful there as well, but that might be part of another series coming up. I do have a big window here which takes up a good amount of this wall. I didn't show too much, or the balcony for, you know, obvious privacy reasons, but I have a decent sized balcony. I can fit a table and a chair, maybe some plants. So one big window, that's all I've got, but it's better than a lot of other places I've seen. So very, very excited, kind of overwhelmed if you can't tell, but yeah, love some thoughts on what to do with this big general area. All this is kind of just open. I don't think I can fit a dining table in here, but I need a space. Whether it's a fold-out table, whatever it is, I can still do my sewing and my crafts. So I don't know what's going to happen here. I do have some flexibility and an okay from my landlord to put in some thoughtful shelving and holes in the wall, nothing crazy, but he understands that like there's not a lot of built-in storage for anything in this apartment. So let me know your thoughts, and oh my gosh, if you have good ideas on how to like thoughtfully arrange the place and like the flow of this big like open space and how to make it multifunctional, drop me comments, drop me links to other people's videos, whatever you've got. I'd be really, really grateful. So give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for this series. Let me know if there's anything in particular relating to moving or this moving series that you're excited to see. I'm just thinking about the basics, like picking out furniture, how to fill your pantry, what should you buy when you start out, what are kind of the important appliances that I'm going to get, and stuff like that. So drop me your thoughts down below and suggestions as well. Can't wait to get back into filming and to talking to you guys on the regular. Until next time, take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.